Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I am Josilia Puspita Rahayu. I am an education student from Institut Agama Islam Negeri Palangkaraya. Here I'm going to present my article with my lecturer, Mem Hasi Widyasuti, and the title is Innovative Teaching Strategies with EducaPlay, Engaging Students Through Technology. Move to the introductions. As we know, modern education plays a critical role in equipping learners with essential 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. But traditional teaching methods, often reliant on lectures and rote memorization, fail to fully engage students and leading to low motivation and diminished learning outcomes. And to overcome these problems, gamification as innovative teaching become the solution by incorporating game elements such as points, leaderboards, and challenges into learning. Gamification fosters active participation, enhances motivation, and aligns with the dynamic needs of today's students. Okay. For the literature review, at the elementary education, a study from Agdia et al. 2024 about math improvement, EducaPlay increased third grade math completion rates from 60% to 86.67%, simplifying complex concepts into fun activities. And a study from Sharmadana et al. 2024 about science engagement, a 16.4% rise in student engagement was reported in fourth grade science classes using EducaPlay. And at secondary education, a study from Batitusta and Hardinata 2024 about writing skills, 12th grade students using EducaPlay scored 4.29 points higher on essay writing tasks than those in traditional classes. And a study from Nurita et al. 2024 about English speaking, EducaPlay improves student speaking confidence and motivation through gamified activities. Okay, and the next, at vocational education, a study from Fitriana and Rossi 2024 about practical learning, EducaPlay boosted learning effectiveness by 70% in vocational classes, helping students connect theory with practice. And at special education, a study from Gallardo Perez et al. 2019 and Nurita et al. 2024, about inclusive learning. EducaPlay helps students with disabilities develop problem-solving skills and confidence, especially in math and language learning. And for professional teacher development, EducaPlay encourages teachers to use more creative and interactive methods, improving classroom interactions and student collaboration as based on the research from Utomo and Ismaya 2024. Okay, so because I have explained, I talk about EducaPlay. What is EducaPlay about? So EducaPlay is a gamified digital platforms designed to enhance education through interactive activities like quizzes, puzzles, and leaderboards. It provides customizable tools that adapt to various subjects and learners' level, making it effective for diverse educational contexts, including vocational and also special education. EducaPlay motivates students to actively engage with their learning while supporting teachers in creating creative and dynamic lessons. Its flexibility makes it more valuable resource for personalizing education to suit individual learner needs. And for the methodology, I use qualitative method and a systematic literature review or SLR. It looks at studies from 2019 to 2024 that focus on EducaPlay, and gamification in education. And the data comes from academic journals, conference papers, and reliable sources like Google Scholar and Scopus. Studies were included if they focus on EducaPlay, improve student engagement or outcomes, and were written in English or Bahasa Indonesia. Thematic analysis was used to identify patterns such as improved student performance, motivation, and teacher development. And the last, challenges like limited access to technology were also analyzed to provide solution. And this is the impact of EducaPlay. Okay, the first impact is for enhancing students' learning outcomes. Study from Agdia et al. 2024 observed a significant rise in mathematics completion rates from 60% to 86.67% when EducaPlay was integrated into third grade lessons. Similarly, Batitusta and Hardinata 2024 highlighted EducaPlay's role in enhancing essay writing skills among 12th grade students. These findings illustrate EducaPlay's ability to translate complex tasks into manageable activities, fostering improved academic performance across the subjects. And the second point is boosting students' motivation. Especially at vocational education, a study from Fitriana and Rossi 2024 reported a 70% improvement in learning effectiveness with the incorporation of EducaPlay's gamified tools. Likewise, Febrianti et al. 2024 also observed increased enthusiasm, concentration, and teamwork among PGSD students utilizing EducaPlay, highlighted its potential to promote dynamic and collaborative learning atmosphere. And the next point is teacher professional development. Utama and Ismaya 2024 highlighted how EducaPlay enabled elementary school educators to create lessons that are more creative, engaging, and collaborative. Likewise, Febrianti et al. 2024 showed that EducaPlay supported interactive exchanges between teachers and students, creating a more inclusive classroom environment. And for special education impact, study from Gallardo Perez et al. 2019 illustrated how the platform enhanced mathematical problem-solving abilities in students with special needs by providing organized and interactive learning experiences customized to meet their specific needs. The study from Nurita et al. 2024 noted a boost in confidence and motivation among English learners participating in speaking activities through EducaPlay. And the last, for challenges and limitation, even though EducaPlay give us some advantages, it also gives several obstacles or challenges. Limited internet access and the lack of digital devices hinder its utilization in settings with fewer resources. Furthermore, insufficient training for teachers creates a barrier to its effective use. And to overcome these challenges, to overcome these challenges, we can create offline versions of EducaPlay for areas with poor internet and organize training programs to help teachers learn how to use it better. And the conclusion, EducaPlay is a powerful tool that makes classroom more exciting and helps students learn better. It works for different types of education such as primary school, secondary school, vocational school, and even special education. To make it even better, more research can explore its long-term benefits and how it can be used with online and offline learning. Overcoming challenges like technology access and teacher training will make EducaPlay useful for even more schools. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I give it back to the moderator. Thank you so much, Ibu.
Okay, thank you, Cecilia. Is there anyone of you who wants to ask her some questions?